Dell Inspiron 3593. Good morning everyone. Under the tech category, today I am doing a new unboxing video of a Dell PC after doing 3 unboxing videos of 2 Dell PCs and a 1 HP PC. And we also did 2 feature videos as 1 Dell PC and 1 HP PC. And I'll put all these links below on these playlists. And now let's talk about this new Dell PC. This Inspiron 3593, and it has a plastic cover, and you can see the Dell logo in here. And also this is the charger that I got with original Dell mark, and you can see the Dell logo, Dell mark. And in back side, also this laptop is a bit high weight than normal laptops, because this laptop is manufactured, that means started producing in around 2019, like 2 years ago to 1.5 years ago. And you can see the back side with the Inspiron mark. You can see the Inspiron, and these are the heat removing holes. And yes, and also in the sides you can see the SD card reader port, USB port, and DVD driver. In this side you can see the audio port, again 2 USB ports, collectively 3 USB ports, and the internet port with the HDMI port, and the power port with LED next to it. Yes, along with these insides. And now I'll open this laptop, and also here you can see the camera with the LED, and the mic is also in there, you can see this. And then you can see the Intel CPU i3 10th gen sticker in here, and also the Dell Inspiron sticker. And also features of this laptop are, as I said, the CPU is Core i3 10th gen, and the graphic card is Intel UHD graphics. And also you get 4 GB RAM and a 1 TB hard drive with this laptop. And also, yes, they're the main things. And you get a normal non-touch, it's not touch, normal display, LED display, HD display with this laptop, Dell mark here. And without talking, let's turn on the laptop. can see the startup. And also I installed the newly arrived Windows 11 OS. It is like 2 months ago. It's 1 month ago, and you can see that Windows 11 operating system installed. And I'll connect this mouse so I can easily control. Yes. So first, as usual, I'll open the task manager and show you what's in. In the performance, under the performance, you can see the CPU name here. Intel Core i3 1005G1 CPU at 1.2 GHz. This is Intel i3 10th Gen CPU at 1.2 GHz. And the current realization is, you can see my OS is using OS and the task manager is using like 16 to yes, now it's like 5 to 16%. And the current speed is 3.37 GHz, and also you can see that base speed is actually 1.1 GHz. And also you can see the sockets. It has a 1 socket, 2 cores and 4 logical processors, and virtualization is enabled already. And there are some cache details, you can see them. Also under the memory, I didn't upgrade the memory. I got it's the 4 GB RAM. You can also see it. My OS is using 2.5 GB and I have 1.2 GB remaining. These are the other things. The speed is it, and the form factor is SODIMM. Hardware SOD is 233 MB. And in here, this is the disk. I have 2 disks, and it's the what I upgraded. And this is Kioxia Xperia SSD, which is a M2 NVMe, which means this PC supports M2 NVMe, and this PC has a M2 port. And also down there you can see the details. Its capacity is 230 GB, right? 32 GB. And this is the disk that I got from the PC. With the PC, this is 1 TB, approximately let's get 932. This is Wi-Fi. GPU is Stellar UHD graphics, and the GPU memory is 1.9 GB, approximately 2 GB. This driver versions and these things. Okay, they are the main features. Okay, now let's go to the yes, you can see I just installed the Kaspersky Live Protection, and it's enabled for this PC. And also I'll show you the details of this PC. Under this PC you can see the local disk and the disk with the operating system installed, which is E, and that, and this is the DVD drive. And also now I'll show you some applications that I got with this Dell PC. And first you can see Dell Cinema Color. Yes, this is actually useful. You can see you can change the graphics as you like for a movie, and now I'm using sports. And again, after that I got this Intel Graphic Command Center, and this Intel Octane memory. Yes, you know about the graphic command center and its normal things are there with that coming from any PC. And in the memory and storage of Octane, it shows you the details about memory and other features of your laptop, and you can manage it as you like. It's not something special. And also I got this Max Audio Pro Wave NX. You can use it to hear live to music or any kind of audio. If you're buying it to another kind of laptop, you have to buy it, and I got it free for this laptop. And voice and you see the waves are going like this. You can just control these things as you like. And again, I got this Microsoft Store, I'll show it later, and this mixed reality portal, the editor, yes, and also support assist, Dell support assist, and you can just do these things, troubleshooting history and to get support. Also you can install the drivers for Dell from here and then scan the hardware, and you can also do all of these things from this Dell support assist. You don't need to install it again, it is coming with the PC. Okay, today you have seen a super Dell laptop that is very good for your day-to-day activities and for your normal tasks that you are doing day-to-day. This is Inspiron 3593, and so now I'm ending my video from here. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, comment what you think, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon next to it so you can get a video as fast as we release. Again, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.